How does affiliate program work for merchants? In this video, I'm going to break down 3 important tips, points about affiliate program. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome to TechWine. I'm Malik, professional web developer, graphic designer, hardware technician, and financial advisor. I'm helping people to make some extra money, increase their passive income, and tech solutions. If this is the first time you're in my video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. With the rise of influencer marketing, it's important to keep up with affiliate marketing programs and trends to profit for your business. Affiliate marketing is when an individual promotes your product and earns a commission in exchange for referring the sale. It's almost impossible to talk about affiliate marketing and not mention Amazon's affiliate program. Amazon was one of the first to offer an online affiliate program. It's now one of the largest affiliate marketing program in the world. Here's how Amazon program works and how it can benefit your business. How does the program work? The Amazon affiliate program, also called Amazon Associates, is an Amazon referral marketing tool for merchants who sells product on Amazon. The way it's work is sellers list their product on Amazon. Any member of the Amazon Associates program can create their own unique affiliate link to your product. The Amazon Associates promotes their unique link on their website or blog. Visitors to the affiliate's website click the link and are taken to your product page on Amazon. If your product is sold as a result of the click, the affiliate earns a commission from Amazon. This program gives bloggers and website owners an easy way to monetize their content, and it drives more awareness, traffic, and sales to the merchant's product on Amazon. In order to get affiliate linking to your product on Amazon, you'll first need to sign up as an Amazon seller. How do commissions work? Becoming an Amazon seller isn't free. In order to join, you will need to select a plan and pay monthly fee. In addition to other fees such as referral fees, fulfillment fees, and potentially other costs, referral fees can run anywhere from 3% to 45%, depending on the item being sold and the cost of the product. As seller, you won't pay commission to affiliate directly when affiliate link results in a click. The website visitor is taken to the Amazon page and then cook it for 24 hours. This means that if the website visitor makes it to your product page but doesn't make a purchase, Amazon will still reward affiliate with commission if the visitor returns and makes a purchase within 24 hours. Commissions rates are based on Amazon's commission structure. If your product is purchased as a result of the click, Amazon will pay affiliate a commission based on that same commission structure. How will this program benefit you as a seller? The Amazon Associate program is a type of referral marketing. When affiliate post about your product, they are telling their audience that they trust and would recommend your product, which can go a long way toward driving up your sales. Amazon affiliates must apply and get approved for the Amazon Associate program. Once they do, they will be able to earn commissions by referring customers to your product. This incentive them to promote your products on their website or blog, whether that's through product guide or roundup post, recommended products page, or other method. This means more people raving about your product, more potential customers learning about the benefits of your product, and more sales. Amazon is also great at converting visitors into customers because it's a well reputed and trusted selling website. This can be especially beneficial for newer companies with little brand recognition who are starting to sell products online. The downside, you may not have much control over the quality of an affiliate's marketing efforts, and poorly written reviews and websites can tarnish your brand's reputation if you are not careful. I hope these 3 points helpful to you know about affiliate marketing on Amazon. I'll do more affiliate videos on Amazon. You can learn about Amazon affiliate marketing program. If you like this video, hit the like button, give me a comment, and if you think this video is valuable, you can share this on your social media platforms to to tell this about this video to your friends. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you next video. Have a nice day. I'm Malik with TechWine.